In this chapter, we will explore the functions in the Core Cavity Builder, or simply known as CCB, to create core and cavity inserts. Access to the CCB functions by opening an iMold project. On the iMold Command Manager toolbar, click Core Cavity Builder. Select Parting Line from the menu. The Parting Lines Property Manager is displayed. Under Operations, click Auto Search. Analyze the inner and outer parting lines highlighted by different colors. Activate the Inner or Outer Parting Lines menu to edit if the parting lines are not as desired. Click OK to accept search result and close Parting Lines Property Manager. We can access information about the part in the CCB Manager pane. The holes on the plastic product need to be covered in order to split the insert blocks. In other words, the faces of the mold must slide past each other until the mold closes, where they create a seal which creates a hole in your part. Use Core Cavity Builder's Patch Hole utility to patch them. Before that, we have to identify the core cavity faces. On the iMold Command Manager toolbar, select Core Cavity Builder, Parting Surfaces. Under Operations, check Simple Search and click Search. Simple Search is used when parting lines are fully defined. The definition of parting lines assist in the parting surface search. The cavity and core faces are highlighted in different colors. Expand Explode View menu to show exploded view. Click OK to accept the parting surface result. You can further toggle the View menu by using the right mouse button in the CCB Manager pane. Now, on the iMold Command Manager toolbar, select Core Cavity Builder and select Patch Holes. The Patch Holes Property Manager is displayed. Under Methods, select the Auto Patch option. Click OK to automatically patch all the holes and close the Property Manager. If a complex surface is needed, you can use these other tools to complete the task. In this case, the auto function could not patch the telescopic hole. Therefore, we can use a shutoff surface option to patch the hole. On the iMold toolbar, select Core Cavity Builder and select Utilities Shutoff. The Shutoff Property Manager is displayed. Under Direction and Draft, change the draft angle to 1 degree. Click on the Edges selection box to activate it. On the graphics area, select the 3 edges shown. A preview of the shutoff surfaces that will be created is displayed. Under End of Position, select the box to activate it and select the edge shown. You can see that the shutoff surface is extended until this end position. Under Surface option, select Set as Patch. Click the push pin to keep the Property Manager active. And click OK to accept and create the shutoff surfaces. Next, under Direction and Draft, select the edge shown for the direction. Set the draft angle to 0 degrees. Click the Edges selection box to activate it. Select the edges shown. Under End of Position, select the box to activate it. Select the edge shown. Click OK to create the surfaces. And click X to close the Property Manager. We can also leverage surface tools from SOLIDWORKS to complement our task. From the SOLIDWORKS menu, select Insert, Surface Planer. The Planar Surface Property Manager is displayed. Select the bounding edges shown. Click OK to create the surface. Because the surface was created using SOLIDWORKS, we need to assign the surface so that iMold recognizes that surface. On the iMold toolbar, select Core Cavity Builder and select Assign Surface. Under Assign Features, select the Patch option. And select the surface created in the previous step. Click OK to assign the surface as a patch and close the Property Manager. The color of the surface will change, indicating that the assignment is successful. The edges of the part has to be extended larger than the inserts itself in order to successfully use them to cut or split the inserts. The surfaces created by extending these edges are called runoffs. On the iMold menu, select Core Cavity Builder and select Runoff Surfaces. The Runoff Property Manager is displayed. Under Methods, select the Ruled Surface option. Expand the Parting Line Tools group. Enter 50 mm in the distance box. Click Auto Search. All the parting edges are automatically selected because outer parting lines have been fully defined. Click OK to create the surfaces. The runoff surface is created. Let's create inserts boxes. On the iMold Command Manager toolbar, select Core Cavity Builder and select Insert Creator. The Insert Creator Property Manager is displayed. A preview of the insert is displayed in the graphics area. Under Ref Origin, select the Assembly Origin option. Under Insert Type, select the Rectangular option. Under Parameters, change the value. L is 125 mm, W is 125 mm, Z1 is 36 mm and Z2 is 46 mm. Expand the gap parameters groups and check X balanced and Y balanced. The preview updates as the values are changed. Click OK to create the inserts and close the Property Manager. Let's toggle back to the top assembly view in SOLIDWORKS. To obtain the insert profiles, the surfaces have to be copied to the correct inserts and the solid blocks trimmed using the surfaces. Both these steps can be accomplished almost auto-magically using the Copy Surfaces function. The Copy Surfaces Property Manager is displayed. Under Destination, select the Cavity option. And click OK to copy the tagged surfaces and trim the cavity insert. All the cavity faces, the patch and runoff surfaces are knit into one single surface and copied to the cavity insert. The cavity insert is also automatically trimmed using this surface. Again on the iMold Command Manager toolbar, select Core Cavity Builder on Select Copy Faces. Under Destination, this time, select the Core option. Click OK to knit all the tagged faces to the core part. When complete, save the project.